failed to complete it, but I'm going, or I decide to make another sentence, okay? Using the same words, 7 words. I'm going to start now. My father assigned at the haberdashery, and some of the people assemble 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 outside the store and asked about the said price, and then my father expatiate expatiate a letter that is his handiwork, and 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 it is in expedite way way and then is because their family is in vacation. Their kid receive it, and that. Okay, I need to adjust the webcam, my webcam. I'm going to read it. My father assigned at the haberdashery, and some of the people assembled outside the store and asked about the said price. And then my father expatiate a letter that is his handiwork, and it is in expedite way. And then it's because their family is in vacation, their kid receive it. Okay, and a while ago, I feel to make an immediate sentence of my first sentence that I make, and I will show it to you at the back of this paper. Okay. This is the second time. Okay. And at the back of this paper, which I fail to complete it, but I can read it to you now. The assigned driver who is participating in a rally attend an assembly of the said place and asked to expatiate a letter from a company and made it to expedite using his handiwork, and then the company receive it and distribute their response from their kit. Okay, and my second one, maybe I record it all. Okay. I will adjust webcam, my webcam. Okay. My father assigned at at the haberdashery, and of the people some of the people some of the people assembled Okay. I use my seven chosen word. Okay, I'm going out to urinate, but I'm already done. Gumpa sa niya ako YouTube. Baby, when I see you smile. Palpak na ko. Man. Arabay. Pila na ka time, babes? Pila na ka time mo? Wala ka? Record pa ko lagi. Palpak ang duha. Kay daot sa YouTube. Kana kusugi mo ana ba? Lapos ang anak niya. Ang anak ba? Ang manada yun? Huwag ma-record ko ah. Kaabot pa ko? Oo.
Wala pa mo lagi na.
Naalagi daot. Lagi dugay ko.
Bidig ba? Yung klaro ano.
Naalagi daot.
Ha?
Daot ta ng YouTube.
Yung klaro ano ba?
Ano puwang na nila? Sige.